In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to start a new one-on-one chat in Threads. Threads is Instagram's new app that allows you to create thread posts, engage with others, and discover interesting profiles. In Threads, you can craft threads and replies containing text, links, photos, videos, or a combination of these elements. Your content can be seen by those who follow you, based on your profile's privacy settings. Furthermore, users can engage with your posts by replying, liking, sharing, quoting, or reposting them. While Threads has generated excitement, some users have encountered difficulties when it comes to private messaging within the app. So, how can you engage in private chats with your Threads followers and friends? The current version of Threads does not offer a private messaging feature, making it impossible to send direct messages to any member of the Threads community. The reason behind the absence of private messaging in Threads remains unclear. However, since this is only the initial release, version 1.0 of the application, it is expected that this crucial feature will be introduced in future updates. For the time being, the only available communication method is through the public chat on your homepage. In addition to that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.